Hi guys, I'm so honored to be here, to be with Frizo and especially with Hair and Makeup by Steph. And I'm honored to do this workshop here. It was fabulous, everything was organized perfectly. Thank you Frizo so much. And I wanted to say one more thing for everyone to try to sign up for Frizo.com because it's another way of communicating, bringing so much more business to yourself. And I'm there also actually. I'm keep posting my work and I get so much clients from there. And I want you to, I highly recommend it for you guys to try out also. Sign up, you'll get to advertise your personal creation there so much better. I'm there, hope to see you there also. Bye guys.